in math, we often introduce concepts in procedural and abstract ways, which can cause struggles for learners with diverse needs or different learning styles. This video is going to highlight the Conceptual Understanding MagicSchool tool that can be found within the MagicSchool app on your dashboard. This resource is designed specifically to support instruction that builds deeper understanding for different topics and supports teachers with designing lessons that prioritize reasoning, representation, and accessible entry points for all students. So let's go ahead and get started. Once you get to MagicSchool from your dashboard, what you're going to do is navigate to the teacher tools over on the left-hand side of the screen. Once you get there, you can hit in the search bar, and then you can type in Conceptual Understanding. It will autofill for you as well, but if for some reason it doesn't, you can type the whole thing in and search for it, and the Conceptual Understanding tool will pop right up. Once you get here, this is called the prompt editor. You can add a lot of different information to the prompt editor so that MagicSchool is better able to support you. So you can choose your grade level, the standard, the TEKS, or the topic, as well as adding any additional context to make the ideas or activities more specific to your or your students' needs, as well as add any additional files to clarify the needs for the students or their expectations that they're supposed to meet. So for this video, I'm going to do a 6th grade math example. So I'm going to leave the grade level as 6th grade, and I'm going to navigate over to our curriculum documents where I'm going to look at the TEKS 610A. So 610A says model and solve one variable, one-step equations and inequalities that represent problems, including geometric concepts. So I am just going to copy and paste that directly from our curriculum documents. I'm going to scroll down, and where it says additional context, I can add a file. So earlier I went to Lead Forward and I downloaded a PDF of release star questions for this TEKS. So I'm just going to upload those questions. If you don't have a star question, that's okay. You can do a CCA question, a worksheet, an activity, maybe a release QSE question. You can go ahead and add any type of question that you want, as long as it'll just provide some additional clarification so that the AI tool better understands what you need. I'm also under additional context. I'm also going to provide that I want these activities to be specific on the geometric concepts. So focus the activities and ideas on geometric concepts. So not just equations and inequalities, but angles, area, perimeter, all sorts of fun stuff like that. So we can see here that I get some different ideas. MagicSchool is going to start coming up with a lot of really, really great ideas, and you can see that there are a lot of really, really great detailed examples, questions. Sometimes we'll even get sentence stems in there depending on what we ask. So as with all tools, but especially with AI tools, we need to remember that we are the experts in our content, and we know the TEKS better than MagicSchool does. So rather than just going and directly taking one of these ideas, we need to go through and vet it to make sure that it is correct to what we need. So here we have a triangle perimeter detective, and I can go through and I can see, yes, we do need the solving for perimeter and triangles is aligned to this TEKS. However, I can see that I have different variables, so I might need to think about that because in 6th grade, they're only going to have one variable, so I might need to double check that. The next one is about angles and circles, which I really like that one because a couple years ago, we had a question like that on the star, and the kids were really confused about it, so that might be a good one to have. And then last but not least, we have geometry word problems. But students do struggle a lot with geometry, and they struggle a lot with word problems, but typically we have pictures. So I think out of all of these ideas and my knowledge of the TEKS, the one that I really like the best is going to be the circle slice inequality lab. So I'm going to copy and paste, and I'm going to say, create me a worksheet or station sheet that can be used for the circle slice inequality lab. So once I do that, MagicSchool will take the idea that it came up with that I said that I liked, and it will create either stations or a worksheet. In this case, it is creating stations for me. And this is now all information that I can go through, vet, edit, modify, and copy and paste into a Google Doc or a Word doc to then be used in my classroom. So again, we have to make sure that we go through and we double check everything to make sure that it's correct, that it's aligned, that it's age appropriate and grade appropriate. But then we can use it and format it as we need for our particular needs. So we can see here that it created me different stations based on that one idea that I had. I could continue to add clarifying statements, ask for enrichments. I could ask for additional interventions. I could ask for additional statements as I want. And MagicSchool will continue to give me more and more catered information to what I need. Also, MagicSchool has prompts down at the bottom so that it can even suggest different ways to improve or perhaps different things that you might need. So you could then also ask for sentence stems or question stems or things of that nature that you need. But I hope that this video sheds some light on how to use the conceptual understanding tool in MagicSchool. If you have any questions, please reach out to your DLS and have a great day.